Hey, what's up? Good morning. Morning caffeine, y'all. Alright, I'm trying a new video format for you guys. And literally, I'm actually making this to help you guys out. Something I've been wanting to do is start giving more editing advice to you guys. Since lately, I've been getting more questions asked directly toward me with some help with editing or advice, and also I've been noticing more and more people have finally, they got themselves a DJI camera. They're starting to film, and they're starting to tag me on with their work. So it's fun. I'm happy to see people getting creative and starting to work on stuff, right? So obviously, I want to be able to encourage that and be able to help you guys too with your little video editing journey and all that shit, and encourage you to keep it up because if there's one thing you just have to do is basically, it has to become your life, a part of your life, kind of like a hobby. Even though you have no following or very little views at the moment, it's just something you have to continuously do because it's a part of your lifestyle. And then eventually you don't get that following. It's just gonna happen, but you have to be consistent, right? I'm not gonna go back to making tutorials, like full-on tutorials. There are plenty of other YouTube channels that I can suggest for you to watch that do a better job at making tutorials than I can, or that I'm willing to, because making tutorials do take up a lot of time. The overall format of my YouTube channel style is to be as quick as possible, and also I want to be more instead of making videos that kind of reach out to a broad audience on the internet, I actually want to make content that's more directed specifically to you, the viewer, who's following me, and ask questions, right? So if you were to leave me a comment, I want to respond to you and your specific question directly through my video. So that's pretty much what's going to be the format for these videos, right? My Monday morning tip videos to give to you every Monday morning. I'll give you my tip. You can see how I can have fun with this, the naming scheme, right? But yeah, usually on Mondays, my plan is to offer you a chance to leave me a question in the comments, and then I'll get back to you, right? So yeah, if you have questions, doesn't have to be editing specific, maybe something that you're interested about what it's like to actually work in this environment, I'll give you the most direct answer that I'm able to. Any suggestions of how to approach things? I mean, if you're, or maybe, I don't know, let's say you're working your ass off and you're having doubts because you're not seeing any results and you need some advice or something, then yeah, I'll be happy to respond to that. For this Monday, I think this is pretty much the first tip that I can give you when it comes to editing and just creating content on the internet in general, because this is something I've read more than once from people, is that they're making content or they have made content and they kind of get discouraged with 0 views. Trust me, I understand, but keep this in mind. I use the analogy of a musician. Think of a musician that you like, a band or whatever. You just hear the music when they make the music, but you're not there with them when they were spending hours and late nights, playing their instrument, writing their music, the hours in the studio or whatever, and pretty much they did what they did to pretty much get to a point where they're able to share their art to the world, right? Because they were ready. You kind of have to do the same thing. Work on your videos, make your content. Don't worry about the views, right? Especially when you're starting out. Make the content, embed it into your lifestyle. It has to be part of your life. Just how you had to go brush your teeth, take a shit or whatever, you have to go and make your video, right? Because it's a part of you. It's a part of your identity. It's pretty much who you are as a person, right? And as you get into that rhythm of making content, pretty much whether you get any views or not, it doesn't matter, because you're doing something that just comes to you naturally, right? And that's something that I learned to do with my content, with my channel, is that I figure out a structure or a schedule that works for me, so I'm able to make this content and be consistent with it and having fun. After doing this for years, I was able to get a small following, and I'm okay with that, right? And with this following that I have, I'm able to maintain it because I'm able to do what I'm doing consistently, because it's pretty much what I like to do. It's who I am. I'm a guy that likes to make videos on the internet in my way, right? And people that follow me, they are aware of the style of videos that I make, and they appreciate that of me. They know what to expect, right? So yeah, just figure out a way that you are able to be consistent, and also find a way that you are comfortable to be in front of the camera, because that is a skill in itself, is being able to be comfortable in front of the camera and talk, because you're putting yourself out there for the internet to literally tell you to fuck off, right? But you have to be able to filter that out. Be okay to like not engage in negativity. You know, block them if you have to, but just focus on the people that, you know, they can see what you're working towards, or they want to be a part of your, you know, content, you know, in the sense of like commenting or following your videos and all that stuff, right? So yeah, do not get discouraged at first. Make it a part of you. You're a video maker, and that's what you do, right? So that's my advice for this Monday. And yeah, this video is going up on what's it, February 2nd. That's my Monday morning tip to you, given to you graciously. All right, guys, that's all I got. But yeah, leave me your questions or any comments or anything that you would like and need help with, and I'll respond to you, right? So this is gonna be community driven, this type of video. The more you ask questions and the more you get involved, or you know, whatever, I'll be able to like provide more info in return. All right, guys, that's all I got. Talk to you later. Peace.